Hey everyone, welcome back to Victor Reviews. Privada Cigar Club, December 2018. Last box of the year, so hopefully we got some fun stuff in here. Maybe some seasonal stuff, I don't know. Completely different box than last time. Much, much smaller. I almost didn't think this was it when it came in the mail until I looked at the label. Alright, see what we got here. You can save a little money on smaller boxes. There we go. Starting using better paper in here instead of that flimsy newspaper type stuff. This is much better. All right. Ooh. All right, we got some cool stuff in here. Here we go. Same old Privada pack. That's it for inside the box. Not too much going on there. I like the new packaging design. I like it that it's smaller. Not that that makes any difference or anything, but it is what it is. Alright. Let's take a look at the cigars. All three of them are in cellophane this time. Usually I get one that's not in cellophane. But all three of these are. These look pretty tasty. Very light smell in the bag. Okay. Here we go. Miami edition. Cool. So. Here's what we got. Let's look at our paper here and take a look at the first one here. The HVC Black Friday. That's what it is. 2018 HVC Black Friday. Looks pretty good. Let's just read off a little bit about what they say about it. Got a little history of the company for this one. Let's see. Talks about the guy's work. Rainer Lorenzo. Rainier, I don't know how I probably butchered his name, whatever. He's the owner that did the blend for this one here of HVC. Let's see. Deep sandpapered and worthy of a movie villain. Alright. Born in Havana, Cuba. Moved to Wisconsin 3 months after coming to America. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's cool. That's the history of them. Yeah. Only 7,500 of these are available. So, I'm excited to give this one a try. It's going to have to sit a little while, though, before I try it, because it looks fairly fresh. I like it, though. I like my Maduros, as you guys can probably tell from my reviews. The next one, the Sindicato Miami Edition. Aged 3 years and 1 month. Released in 2015. Was a very expensive and rare and unique cigar. Let's see. Sindicato put fears in the hearts of other manufacturers in 2013 when they announced their entrance into the industry. Okay. I mean, that last one I had was pretty good. I liked it a lot. Let's see. This was the stick to be the home run that batted other brands across the home plate. Batted their other blends across the home plate, if I can read today. All right. Alright, Nicaraguan Puro coming out of Casa Fernandez in Miami. Wrapped in a Corojo Jalapa and bound and filled with Esteli Jalapa. This beautiful Perfecto is a work of art. Not really looking at the tasting notes. I don't care about that. As I've said before, tasting notes is what I get as I smoke it. I can read them all day long, but I only taste what I taste. So they really don't mean anything to me. This is pretty cool. I like the red and the silver. It's got a 60s vibe to it. Pretty cool. I like it. Haven't had any domestic cigars. So, the Miami one should be cool. Pretty sure it's domestic. Let me see here. Is it? I think that one is the Miami. Alright. The last one, which I've seen some reviews on. It's a Lancero. It's considered a Lancero. By a company called Southern Draw. This is the Rose of Sharon Lancero. I've seen some pretty good reviews on this one here. A lot of people like it. Let's see. Alright, talking about AJ Fernandez in here. Let's see. AJ Fernandez, the Culture of Honor. Okay, so he worked with him before. Okay. Newer blend for the company. This one here. First time using a Connecticut shade wrapper. Dynamic smoke. Scored a 100 on recent reviews. 100's pretty steep. Take that with a grain of salt. Box pressed Lancero. The wrapper is soft and elegant, but wait until you start smoking. It has a Connecticut shade from Ecuador wrapper from both Dominican and Nicaraguan fillers. They only use the finest tobaccos, as all the manufacturers do. The Rose of Sharon is an ode to Robert's wife, Sharon Holt, who hooked us up this month. This is one of the best cigars I have had this year. And that's coming from just the notes that the owner has written down, just skimming through it there. So I'm excited to try this one. Like I said, I've seen some reviews on it, but well, I don't know if that's going to focus on it. Is it? Maybe. Yeah, there we go. Rose of Sharon. Very nice. I've yet to have a legit Lancero. This still seems a little short to be a Lancero, but that's exactly what it is. You can see there. Rose of Sharon. Lancero. Cool. I like the band design. I'm excited to try these. Anyway, guys, that's been Privada Cigar Club for that's December's box of 2018. I'm excited to try all these. They're going to go back in the cooler and sit for a while. Get acclimated, and hopefully we'll be enjoying some of these here in the springtime when it warms up outside. I don't necessarily like freezing to death out there doing a review, and I ain't got one of those cool stand-up patio heaters. I need to get one, though. So, anyway, I'm excited to try these. Thank you for sending all these in, Privada. I encourage you all, if you like the rare stuff and stuff you probably have not tried before but read about, jump on board with Privada. They're not super expensive every month, and you get a chance. You know, these all balance out to be about $10.25 a stick after shipping and the subscription and everything, which isn't bad for premiums, especially stuff that's hard to get your hands on. I think it's a deal. I like it. So, give it a shot. I'm not making any money off anything. If you guys do sign up, I can put a link down in the description so you can check out their website. As always, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and if you want to, you can hit the bell icon. That's always appreciated too. That way you get first dibs on all the new videos and updates and this and that. Until next time, see you guys on the next one.